doing shit that niggas can't do.
I've been doing shit that niggas can't do. Bitches want fuck me for my tattoo.
Bitches want fuck me 'cause my cash grew. 'Cause I be doing shit that niggas can't do.
Yeah, I put an X in the wood. Niggas is dry, but I came with the good. I bet not feel like shit. I look like a walking judge.
Yeah, can't do it. Can't stop my gun and I proved it. If you wait by the check, I ain't moving. If you cross me, I go get that tooling.
Yeah, ay, I get the toolie like Bob. I run this shit, all you niggas can jive. Ay, money on me, that's the mob. Rolling my mind, man, I feel like I'm Jones.
No, ride, I go get that check. These bitches is dogs, I let them pay fetch. Close on the good, bitch, that's a finesse. You run up on me, you can kick to your truth.
I've been doing